Hello guys, welcome in today's video and thank you for stopping by. If you are new to this channel, welcome, karibu sana to this channel. My name is Monica, a mom of two and also a working mom. And in this channel we do a lot of cooking, a lot of motivation and homemaking and a little bit of lifestyle. If this is the content you love or you enjoy watching, just feel free to visit my channel and watch my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. May God bless you for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you so much. In today's video, I decided to take you through my day. I wanted to spend this day with you, and we are going to start with making some breakfast for the family, where we are going to make some mandazis and boil some eggs. So guys, stick around until the end of the video. And for the ingredient, I used 2 cups of flour. I used 1 tablespoon of cardamom and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I used a half cup of sugar. I added a pinch of salt and 1 cup of milk and also 1 tablespoon of baking powder. That is what I used to make these mandazis.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Maybe I'm indecisive, maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting, maybe, oh. Maybe I'm indecisive, maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting, it's all too late. It's all too late, all too late. It's all too late. Maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm falling. I can't seem to make up my mind about us. Make up this time for us. Make up my mind about us. Yeah, but believe me, I tried. I don't know why I couldn't make this work, but believe me, I tried. Now it's all too late. Now it's all too late. All too late. All too late. Oh. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's me in my head and I can't get out. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's hazy. Oh, I almost touched the ground.
And my mandazis were ready, and I loved the turnout. They were so soft and so yummy. The cinnamon and cardamom taste really made this mandazi taste so well. So I served, and that was what we are going to have for breakfast. And for me, I decided to take the green tea today. I was not feeling like taking the milk tea, but my family took the milk tea, but I decided to make some green tea for myself, and that was what I was making, and I really enjoyed the breakfast.
Lose control, is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I.
And after having my breakfast, I wanted to make this room. This is how it was looking. Yeah, this is how messy it was. Everything was everywhere. It was not arranged. It was not organized. This is where you are putting like everything in this room. But I want to put it in order and arrange it. Yeah, so that it can look clean and organized, and so that my son can be having his room clean and organized. So guys, let's do that.
Every time let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.
And this was the stand that I was using before I bought this other stand. If you are there and you need a stand, I can give you this. Just reach me, and I will help you with this, because I don't use it, and there is no need to keep it here. And maybe there is someone who is struggling, he or she doesn't have a stand. Yeah, I'm gonna give you this. Just contact me or reach to me, and then I'm gonna help you with this stand.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming of that.
You see this flower? It is a new one. I didn't even use it for a day. I bought it, I put it in on the table, and then my daughter broke it. Imagine, I didn't even use it, so I haven't thrown it away. I'm just trying to find a vase, and I will put it in that vase and replace this broken vase. So that is the reason I haven't throw it away. I still have it because I want to find a good vase and replace that vase.
It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, oh, or nothing at all. It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, oh, or nothing at all.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break my signs every time. won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Read the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. I do what I want. I do what.
And now let us make the bed. And the mattress isn't new because I had a mattress in the house, so I didn't have to buy another mattress, so I decided to use this one. And because it was not in use, I decided to use it with my son's bed. So let us make this bed and see the turnout.
I do what I want. I do what I want. I do what I want. Hear me now. I do what I want. Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away.
And I didn't have the pillows to put in these covers, so I will be using the pillows that he was using. They were small, and I will try and fix them in these pillow covers and make them look like they deserve to be there, but they are not. I will try and fit them there. Yeah.
Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
And I will return this plastic carpet, and the reason I put this plastic carpet is because I don't have the other carpet, and this plastic carpet really prevents the cold. It is better with this than being the bare floor without a carpet. That is the reason that I like putting this carpet than leaving the room that way. And there is my final result of my son's bedroom, and I like how it turned out. Yeah, it is clean and organized. I love the duvet, the way the duvet came out. It's so beautiful. And this room doesn't have a wardrobe. That is why I store their clothes in the bags, but I I figure out something, but not now, maybe later. And yeah, and be arranging the clothes in a closet or something like that. So that was how I did to my son's bedroom. Yeah, the bedroom turned out so clean and so organized.
So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing.
And this was later, and I wanted to try and bake a banana cake. I have never done this, but I wanted to try and bake a banana cake and see how it will turn out.
Hold these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing.
If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel to support my channel to grow, and give this video a thumbs up so that it can be recommended to many viewers. Yeah, I love you so much for all the support you have supported me. I just say thank you and be blessed.
Hold these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't
And this was 1 hour later, and my cake was ready, and I loved how it turned out. And it could have really burnt if I could have left it there for another 10 minutes. It could have burnt, but I was there on time, and I removed it, and I loved how it turned out. It was fluffy, it was sweet. I loved the turnout. And this I did leave the cake to cool down so that I can put it on this plate, and maybe wrap it with some film paper and store that way until in the morning, so that we'll have it for breakfast. This cake was the best cake I have ever made. It was so sweet, so yummy, and I really loved the turnout. I'm going to bake this cake again and again because I really loved this banana cake. So yeah, that was how I baked this cake. And for the ingredients, this round I measured, and the turnout was so good, and I'm going to leave the measurement in the description box for you to check out. If you have stuck to that end, may God bless you for sticking up to that end. Until we meet in my next video, it's a bye bye for now. Bye guys.